There are two types of hijamas, one with cups and one with horns. What is the difference? There is no difference in that. Either way, if because there are people, they have got different skills with the horns and they have different skills with the cups. So there is no specific guidance from Rasulullah that you can do the hijama by using the cups or you can do the hijama by using the horns. So either way, but it should be from a qualified person, because sometimes you may get the people who have opened their clinics and surgeries to do the hijama, because now in UK it has become a part of like medical thing and it is being recognized. So people have opened, they got the license to run these clinics and they do that. So, but still I cannot say 100% that they are all perfect in that or they are well skilled. So we have to be careful. You have to see those people who have gone to these people gone for the hijama. If you know any of them, then you can, learn from them and you can go to the one that you think that they are speaking the right thing about.